Hey everyone, how are you doing today? I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt as I wore in the last video. Pre-filming. Gotta film more than one video per day at the moment. So today I am unboxing my FabFitFun box, my summer 2021 FabFitFun box. And I've had this sitting here for a couple of days waiting for the opportunity for me to film it. I haven't opened the box yet. I am stoked to get into it. So I did open the box that the box came in. So here's the box because I had add-ons, and those add-ons were things like sheets and things. So I'm not gonna share those add-ons. But let's start with the thing that came on the outside of the box that's actually part of the box. This was a box item that wasn't one of my original choices, but you can add on other box items as part of the box. It's different than add-ons. Anyway, it's complicated. Sorry, I didn't mean to get all complicated about this, but this is a little lemon tray. Let's just look at it. And I thought this would be a nice little size for putting my teapots and stuff on. A lot of times I'm just using tea towels, but I don't really have a nice little tray. This is from the brand To The Market, and I think it's so cute with its lemons. It is just the right size for a little teapot and cups. So I am definitely going to be using this. I might even have it here on my vanity. Now let's get into the actual box. The box is more cubular than it usually is. Cubular, I know that's not a word, but it just came out. Let's get on into it. All right, I finally got it open. First thing I see on top is some stickers. I don't recall receiving stickers from them before, so that's kind of fun. I'll give those to my daughter. Then there's all sorts of coupons and stuff that's right on the very top. Here's the FabFitFun magazine. The magazine always has tips and tricks to do with your products and such inside. And it's been a while since I made my choices, and I can't even remember what's in here, so I'm excited to see. Okay, the first thing that's on top is the item I was probably the most excited about. This is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. It's not really showing up. Let's get this out of the box. I know that a lot of people are really into the glow screen. I'm afraid that's gonna be too glowy. I wouldn't mind trying it at some point, but this Unseen one was the one I was definitely more interested in. So this is SPF 40, broad spectrum, water and sweat resistant sunscreen. I typically use sunscreen as primer, so I do tend to go through them, and I'm really excited to get to try this one. And fantastic, there's a seal. I know if you guys have seen my unboxings before, I get really excited when there's a seal on it, just because sometimes there isn't, and it makes me feel weird about the product. So anyway, yay for that. Next thing I see is this box. Ooh, this is from Way. This is the scalp massager. This came with a shampoo, I think. Yeah, here's the shampoo. So this is the detox shampoo. Let's smell the shampoo first. Doesn't smell like anything special. It's kind of like shampoo, but especially in the summer, I do tend to use a lot of dry shampoos. And so every once in a while, I like to use a detox shampoo to really get everything out of the roots, along with something like this. So this is the little scrubber from Way that came along with it. Ooh, it feels more bendy and a little bit more silicone-y than we have another one in our shower that is similar to this, but not quite the same. Anyway, I'm excited to give these two things a go. Next up. Oh yes, this is the little light for my phone. So this is from Soar. This is a clip-on selfie ring light. I struggle really hard with lighting and taking selfies. Well, with anything remotely that involves taking selfies, I struggle with. But one of the things I struggle with the most is lighting. Whenever people ask for pictures of looks I make with eyeshadow, it always stresses me out because I'm always oh, that means I have to take a selfie. But hopefully this little thing will help me if I could get it open to show you. Okay, it came with some little instructions, and it came with a couple of batteries. Bonus. So you're supposed to clip it on your phone like this. Okay, I'm looking for the button. Is this the button? Haha! Ooh, okay, yeah, that might be really nice. Yeah, I got some illumination going on. All right, handy. Ooh, and when you click it, it gets brighter and brighter. Nice. All right, I'm looking forward to trying that out. Maybe it will help me with my selfie troubles. Okay, so this is a glow facial from Ole Henriksen. This is the PHAT glow facial. The fat glow facial. This is packed with PHAs to help retexturize. It targets fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and pores. It also hydrates and reveals smoother, instantly more luminous skin. So I've heard a lot about this brand. I've never actually tried anything from them. It's also made with Nordic birch sap. That's interesting. Ooh, it has a nice little pump on it. I don't want to waste it and put it on the back of my hand. Maybe I will anyway. Oh, look at it. It came out pink. It says to apply an even layer to clean, dry face, massage until it transforms from pink to white. So it goes from pink to white. Oh, okay. I will massage until it goes to white. Oh, there it goes. It's starting. Okay, yep, interesting. And then you're supposed to leave on for 15 minutes, remove with a damp washcloth, use 2 times per week. Very cool. I'm super interested in trying this out. Also, in the category that this was in, I could choose a packet basically of 3 less expensive things or get 1 more expensive thing. I just chose the more expensive thing. It's because I didn't want a lot of just stuff, you know? Okay, next. Digging. I got this Watermelon Burst setting spray from Ciate London. Yeah, everything is a surprise to me because I can't remember anything that's in this box. I like setting sprays a lot. Ooh, it's pretty. It's pink. Let's see how the sprayer is. It smells like watermelon. I don't need any more dew. I was gonna try to put it on my face, but I don't think I need it right now. I'll keep you updated on how I like this. And then for my last product, I got this wrap. So this is made in India. This is from a brand called Virginia Wolf. And it came with like a little tag all about different ways you can wear the wrap, which I really appreciate. I oftentimes don't know what to do, but I couldn't resist this wrap because of the print on it. Ooh, it feels nice. So it has plant leaves on it. Looks like monstera leaves. I love it so much. And it's nice and big. Oh, I even had it folded in again. So it's even bigger than I showed you the first time. I'll probably end up just wearing it as a scarf, like this actually. Where I put it like this, and then bring it around the front like that. Just because I live in a place where I often am wearing a scarf. So that's how it looks down the front. But you could obviously also wear it other ways, since it's such a big scarf. You could even tie it around your waist as like a beach cover-up. So I'm really happy with this choice. It's actually something that I will use. Sometimes when I send things like totes and backpacks, I'm excited because they're cute, but then I don't really use them that much. Whereas this, I will use. Okay, let's talk about some of my add-ons real quick in case anyone is interested. I did get some beauty add-ons because I couldn't resist it. So they had this spray from Kula. This is the Refreshing Water Mist Sunscreen. And I got this because I thought it'd be a really nice way to get an extra layer of protection in the afternoon. Usually I really have a hard time reapplying sunscreen. I'm really good at putting it on first thing in the morning, but really bad about reapplying. And even though this is only SPF 18, I thought it wouldn't hurt. And I haven't looked at the sprayer on this yet either. So let's check it out. Ooh, that's nice. Again, I was tempted to put it on, but I'm dewy enough. I'll try it again when I'm not going to be filming, because if I'm dewy in real life, I'm way extra dewy on camera. Then I got a couple blushes. You know me, guys. So this is one from Stila. This is the convertible color blush. It was greatly reduced in the add-on sale. I got the color Lilium, and you see I've tried it already. It's so beautiful. I can see why it's been a favorite for so long for so many people. It is a great year-round color and it blends out so pretty. I'm really excited to have this in my collection. And they also had this one from Nude Sticks. Now this is their Lip and Cheek Intense Matte Pencil in the shade Belle. Oh, and did I say that this was in the shade Lilium? So this one from Nude Sticks, I got it specifically to use as a blush, not necessarily as a lip product, although it being like a chubby stick like this, you could easily use it as a lip product. I have yet to try it on my cheeks, but it glides on so nicely. And then you get, look how nicely it blends out there. You get lots of time to spread that out nice. So even though it says matte, it's not at all grabby, which is sometimes what I think of when I think of matte products not being very glidey. This is really glidey, and I think the color is pretty. This is the first thing from Nude Sticks I've ever tried so far. I like the swatch. I'll have to keep you updated when I actually try it on my face. So anyway, there was my beauty add-ons and my box. If you guys got your FabFitFun box this summer, let me know. Did you like the contents of your box? I am really, really glad that they expanded choice. It used to be that you got to choose some items and then you get sent whatever. They've changed it now where if you were an annual member, you get to choose all the items in your box, which is major. I was considering not continuing my subscription through next year. I'm still thinking about it, but that is a major plus in favor of keeping the subscription to make sure that you don't actually get anything you don't want, since you get to pick everything. It's pretty great. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you are having a great summer. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.